Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be speed cleaning as well as doing a little bit of decluttering. My desk has been a mess since we moved in because I basically just piled everything on top of it and I haven't touched it since. I'm decluttering and organizing it just to get it, to where it's functional and looking not a mess. And then I'll be cleaning up around the house as well. So I really do hope you guys enjoy the speed cleaning, my living room, decluttering, a little bit of organizing, just cleaning this house since we moved in. It's just been a mess. I'm doing room by room. So just keep watching and I hope you guys enjoy. Do not forget to subscribe, like, and comment.
You're gone now. Will you coming back? Yeah, I know that. Yeah, I know that. You're the traveling kind. It's a known fact. Yeah, I know that. Once you've seen all the things, all the places, I hope it means that you'll come home to me. Once you've traveled the world, all the spaces inside your heart, I hope I'll be your end destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation. I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall down low. I hope I'll be your end destination. You're far away and yet so close. Yeah, I feel that. Yeah, I feel that. Yeah, you're up in space. You're inside the noise. I can feel you. Once you've seen all the things, all the places, I hope it means that you'll come home to me. Once you've traveled the world, all the spaces inside your heart.
So I got this rug about 2 or 3 weeks ago. I'm really not sure on the placement. I think I want to move it up a little bit. That way, I don't know, it will look a little bit better. And then also, I don't want to move the runner. So I'm going to try to figure out how I can move it up without having to move the runner, because I love the floors. I don't want to cover up the floors. I honestly think I maybe should have got a smaller rug, but I didn't think the 5x7 was going to be big enough for the space. But I guess we'll see. What do you all think down below? Should I leave it where it's at or should I move it down?
Take me to your heart. I belong to you. Hear them calling, shouting your name. Turn up the collar and walk away. Feels like you're falling, now who is to blame? Wishing you'd only be more like them. Over and over, you cry yourself to sleep, and you're colder, much colder. If only you could see. Don't you know that you're beautiful, just the way you are, just the way you came? Don't you know that you're beautiful, no matter what the scars, no matter what they say? And we'll you're stronger, much stronger than they will ever be. Don't you know that you're beautiful, just the way you are, just the way you came. Don't you know?
Now, I don't want y'all to talk about me or nothing, but as you can tell, this hasn't been dusted in a while, but that's okay. That is okay, because she is gonna be shining and clean by the time I get done with her.
Now we've been through a lot, holding hands while screaming at each other. And I don't know how to start, but I still love you like I do. It breaks my heart, no text, no calls.
I don't know about you guys, but I love watching other YouTubers clean their house. I don't know why, but it's just something about it. And I guess that's why I'm making my own channel. But watching other YouTubers motivates me to clean my house, to clutter my house, speed clean, decorate, you name it. YouTubers give me motivation. So I'm hoping that I hope I give you guys the cleaning motivation to tackle your mess in your house, to get it clean, get it done.
You're my best friend, didn't care about the rules.
Okay, so you noticed I moved the plant from over by the door to over here. And I'm wondering what you all think about the plant being over there. Now, I know that the table that the plant is on, I know it doesn't match anything in here. I'm either going to paint that table or I'm going to get a new table. But I think the pot looks okay right here. I also have this one. Sorry about the lighting. I also have this one, which I think it would look somewhat better. I do have a plant stand right there, but it's too small for the pot. But I don't know if I want that one or I'll try this one.
You watch me under the light, so keep me in your sight, 'cause I can do this all night. You can call it what you want, I got something else in mind. Oh, if it's you I've been waiting for, I better make it worth my time. So don't you pay them any mind, close your eyes, follow the sound. Keep it coming through the night, we don't need to slow down. Take it all, I'll give you what you need. If you stay with me, I'll love you in the dark. So shine on, don't lose your spark. Show me what you got. Let your colors burn, let your colors shine now.
Every night I'm going on the grid, texting back, I want you, hit you up, I'm on the other side, I miss you, miss you. Take you off, I came here way too strong, cannot keep it low key. Got me drugged, your pheromones hit the roof, bottle your taste. It's really a bad reception out there, where you heading? Why ain't gravity pulling you in closer to me? I've lost you, but I need you, and you're off my radar now. I've lost you,